GTK Mintec is part of Finnish governmental organization Geological Survey Finland. And our services include, for example, impartial research for our customers in the scoping study phase, pre-feasibility studies, and also feasibility studies. We are already quite unique research facility globally, and we are able to combine here at GTK Mintec mineralogical research, process laboratories, and also to have everything in a very close to industrial scale pilot plant. So the full service chain is very comprehensive for the mining customers. The EU's Critical Raw Materials Act is something which came into power as it's May this year. That means that our customers, they need to start thinking how to analyze, how to process the stockpiles of wastes which are lying somewhere. And that is exactly one part of the new services we can do for our customers. This year, hopefully, we will get a new water pilot for the research for process waters. And then in connection with all of this, we have also MintecRobo, which is a fully automated laboratory that comprises 2 WD X-ray systems from Malvern Panalytical, and also we integrated an old X-ray diffraction system from the same supplier. That makes it very powerful combination because we can get the chemical analysis but also the mineralogical analysis from the same automated cell. All service providers, they have a so-called standardless analysis program. But in this case, the Omnian software was able to spiced up with certain types of samples, and we were able to use that one exactly perfect for our needs. We are increasing the rate of digitalization. Now we have the MintecRobo, and we are going to have a LIMS system, Laboratory Information Management System. And the big thing is that we can integrate these two things together. That means that when we get an analysis from the automation cell, it is in LIMS immediately. That also means that we are able to use that data in the process laboratory, at pilot plant or mineralogical laboratory. So that makes everything so much more faster. This combination is something that we are very proud of. And I think that is globally something that nobody else can now offer. There are multiple benefits for our customers. First of all, the analysis takes roughly about 20 minutes, and earlier it could have taken like a few days. We can test 220 samples per day, and that's like 10 times higher than it used to be. The importance lies in the fact that nowadays the ore grades, they are degrading, which means that you need to process a lot more ore in order to get a certain amount of concentrate for the next study phases. That also means that we need to take more samples and analyze it more quickly and in a more precise way. And MintecRobo is a perfect answer for that. And the second is that when you have a robot doing the sample and it's done every single time the same way, it's more accurate, it's more reproducible. So these are very important for the customers. Because of the nature of the things we do here at GTK Mintec, this is not a fixed process that you have same samples day in, day out. We had to have a solution that can provide as accurate analysis result as possible from all kinds of samples. It can be waste, it can be ore, it can be whatever. And actually, during the discussions, we found out that the Malvern Panalytical is the only provider who can have that kind of approach, which is perfect for us. The relationship between Malvern Panalytical and GTK Mintec has been ongoing like 12 years or so. So it's a rather long history we have with them. That also makes the collaboration very easy because they know us, we know them, and it's very easy communication. Malvern Panalytical's process and automation group, they have like 30 years of experience in doing all kinds of automations globally. The new pilot plant will come between years 2025 and 2028. So that is something completely new. And inside that process, we are able to integrate more innovative services for our customers. So the research chain will become even more comprehensive with the help of new pilot plant, new laboratories, smart test, water pilot, MintecRobo. So the research chain is complete for the customer. Hopefully the processes we are creating for our customers will reduce their environmental impacts.